everybody, welcome to MS Craftshop. I want to show you the new products from the craft.o.clock that I recently received. Today we will review the collection called A Cordial Invitation. A Cordial Invitation collection can be used in many different projects. Roses, which are the central theme, are perfect for many occasions such as birthdays, Valentine's, Mother's, Grandmother's Day or weddings. The collection offers 3 sets of papers in different sizes: 15 and 25 cm by 15 and 25 cm, 20 and 3 cm by 20 and 3 cm, and 30.5 cm by 30.5 cm. All the sheets in the set have exactly the same design. The only difference between the sets is the extras available on the other sides of the covers. The smallest and the middle set of paper includes 24 double-sided papers. To be more precise, 6 designs with 4 double-sided sheets per design. The largest set includes 6 double-sided papers, 12 designs in total. While the smallest paper is perfect for card making, larger papers will be excellent for albums, journals and bigger projects. This extra set is fantastic for albums and journals. There are pockets, tags, cards and little envelopes, which will be very useful in making a photo album and junk journal. This extra set includes 12 double-sided pages, 6 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. This extra set includes flowers and leaves. Lots to cut, so don't forget to sharpen the scissors. The set contains 12 double-sided pages, 6 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. A Cordial Invitation collection also offers wedding extras to cut. Here you can find all the necessary graphics perfect for wedding projects: cake, gold rings, champagne glasses and many others without which the weddings would not exist. Like the previously presented sets, this one also includes 12 double-sided pages, 6 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. The extras sets and the craft.o.clock basic mood collections complement each other perfectly. I'm sure you like this new collection from Craft.o.clock. I wish you happy crafting and see you in the next unboxing video.